Hey, welcome back to my channel. Aostirmotor truck hood mirror pair driver, left. Wider visibility. Provides more visibility when towing. Provides better and wider angle of rear view. Fits for Kenworth T680 Peterbilt 579 Peterbilt 587 OEL 59-6003-201 or 59-6003-200. Applicable models: Chrome hood mirrors for Kenworth T680 Peterbilt 579 Peterbilt 587. High quality, are hood mirrors with high quality chrome parts. Durable and reliable during poor weathers. Wider visibility, provides more visibility when towing. Provides better and wider angle of rear view. Detail: size, 69 by 28.5 by 16.5 centimeters PCS. Weight, 6.6 lb PCS package including 2 packs hood mirrors left and right. Other hood mirrors can provide drivers with a greater field of vision to enhance the driving experience and ensure driving safety. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.